Hey guys, welcome back to Next Tricks. Today we are going to review Vintage FX. Vintage FX is a global forex and CFD broker which has been in operation since 2009. Their head office is in Sydney and they have globally offices in London. And they are multi-regulated broker operating under the Australian regulator the VFSC as well as the Cayman Island Monetary Authority (CIMA). Clients' funds are held in a segregated account with Australia's AA rated National Australia Bank. They offer traders over 300 different markets including forex, indices, commodities, share CFDs and crypto CFDs. Their three core types of accounts are called Raw ECN, Standard STP and Pro ECN. You can view the differences between the accounts on their websites. Traders can access leverages of up to 500 into 1 with minimum deposit of just $200. For Islamic traders, Vintage also offers swap-free trading accounts. User can trade using the industry-leading MetaTrader 4 and MetaTrader 5 platforms for desktop and web, as well as their very own Vintage FX mobile trading apps. They also offer various social trading platforms such as DupliTrader and Zulu Trader, granting user access to a folio of hand-packed prop traders, and user can copy their trades straight into the Vintage FX MT4 or MT5 accounts. They offer 24/5 customer support in multiple languages and pro trader tools such as the Market Buzz, featured ideas, analyst views, and an economic calendar, as well as over 130 video tutorials. Their wide range of online resources and training guides includes educational webinars, daily market analysis. So whether you are new to trading or an advanced trader, Vintage FX are committed to helping you gain a trading edge. Now let's talk about account opening and funding. Opening an account is incredibly easy. It only takes a few minutes and the whole process is online. ID documents are verified by the team within 24 hours. Depositing into my account was instant, and Vintage has over 12 plus funding options to accommodate for the different regions and clients they serve. Many brokers have limited funding options, so having these options available was definitely a bonus. Vintage also provides a 50% welcome bonus when they will give you an additional 50% bonus equity to trade with. I will provide a link in the video description to this promotion if you are interested. And now let's talk about withdrawal. The regulations and lessons make Vintage a very safe trading partner. All withdrawal requests are processed Monday to Friday 9 am to 7 pm Australian Eastern Standard Time. And immediately after completing the application process, I received a welcome email from the support team at Vintage, and they pointed me to the educational guides and videos they had on their website. As a complete beginner, this was incredibly helpful. Their customer services team is second to none. The Vintage FX offers support team are available 24/5 via online phone, online chat or email. And as you already know, I am not a trader, but when I speak to my friends about forex trading, they all mention the MetaTrader 4 platform and how robust and reliable the system is. At Vintage, they offers both MT4 and MT5 platforms, but the purpose of this video, I will be using the MT4 platform. My traders on the Vintage FX MT4 platform was executed instantly when ensured I received the best prices available. Traders who seek stability and speed in their trading should consider Vintage. Browsing through their website, I found a platform called DupliTrade where you are able to copy traders from some of the best traders straight into your own trading account. Some of these traders have returned 500%, which is incredible. I might dive into this platform in another video. The Vintage FX client portal is extremely user-friendly and easy to navigate. So that's it for this video. Give this video a like and share it with your friends. Comment down below if you have any question. Thank you so much for watching and I will see you in the next one.